In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add an activity totals card to your records in Hubspot. This simple and straightforward guide will help you to enhance your Hubspot workspace by integrating a powerful tool to keep track of your activities effortlessly. Let's get started by navigating to the Hubspot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in Hubspot's URL. Once you're there, you should see the homepage. At the top right corner, you'll find the Login button. Click on this to proceed. Logging in is a crucial step because it ensures you're accessing your personalized workspace with all your data and records. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home dashboard. From here, head over to the settings by clicking on the settings icon. The settings menu is where we'll lay the groundwork for creating the activity totals card. Once you're in settings, look for the objects option on the left hand sidebar and give it a click. The Objects section manages your various data pieces within Hubspot, so this is the place to be for customizing record views. Now under Objects, click on Contacts. This will direct you to the Contacts Management area, where you can edit how records are displayed and interact with your CRM data. With the Contacts section open, direct your attention to Record Customization. Click on this to start organizing and tweaking your record cards. Here, you'll have the flexibility to control how data is displayed for you and your team, making your work environment more efficient and tailored to your workflow. The next step is to click on Create Team View. This feature allows you to set up a view that's tailored for your team's needs, creating a consistent and streamlined interface for everyone. Ensuring that your team has a uniform view can enhance collaboration and reduce misunderstandings. Now let's add the activity totals card itself. Locate the Add Cards button and click on it. This section is all about enhancing your records with additional data insights, which is where the activity totals card comes into play. Adding this card will enable you to monitor activity metrics all in one place, giving you a concise overview of your interactions and productivity. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated the activity totals card into your records in HubSpot, ensuring a more dynamic and insightful experience. Utilizing these cards helps keep your interactions and tasks in check, fostering a more productive environment. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful as you continue to optimize your HubSpot workspace. Remember, a well-customized HubSpot setup is key to efficient and effective business management.